In this video, I'll show you how I made Miss Fortune's guns from League of Legends. First, I created and printed a template so I had a good overview for all the parts. I measured the diameter of the middle part, calculated the circumference, and transferred that measurement onto 5mm foam. Then I cut the piece out. I repeated the same process for the barrel: measure, transfer, and cut. Next, I took some paper and rolled it up to form a cone. I adjusted the angle until I liked the proportion to the rest of the gun, then cut it out to use as a pattern. I glued the 5mm foam pieces together. After that, I traced the cone shape onto 5mm foam, cut it out, and also drew and cut the correctly sized circular base piece. That circle was glued into place, and I assembled and glued the cone together as well. I then cut my original template into smaller pieces. For the grip, I traced the shape 3 times onto 10mm foam, cut them out, and glued the layers together to create the proper thickness. Next, I cut out the smaller details from the template, traced them onto foam, cut them out, and glued them onto the base. I used the Dremel to smoothen the edges. On the inside of the cone, I Dremeled the edge at an angle to create a larger surface area for gluing later. And that was it for the first video. Make sure to come back for the second part.